Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It's, well, it doesn't really say, but they are some cool looking velvet pants. I'm gonna show you what they look like here. So look at this, it's super bright, super soft. And these are what they look like here. Really kind of comfortable looking. They've got pockets on the back and on the front. Got a button and a zipper. And it's by LDNINE, and I got a size large in the US. China size is size extra large. And I'm going to try it on here over my shorts, just because you don't need to see me wearing my underpants. My dog is very interested. Come on, Penny. Oh, and it's got a lot of stretch to it, so you can go out to the buffet, definitely be comfortable. And look at this, super cool. Oh, it's got the pockets up here, and super comfortable, super cool. Totally bell bottoms here. I could be wearing it with big old boots and everything else, or anything. And these are super comfortable, really nice. I'm about 5'10". The large fits me good, and I'm about 190 pounds or so right now. So you can get an idea of how these look. So super cool, super comfortable, and I guess they're my dog approved. Thumbs up, very cool.